If you have a credit card in your wallet right now, this might be the most important video you watch this year. Because in the United States, millions of people are trapped in credit card debt without even realizing how serious it has become. And the worst part, most of them think they're doing fine. By the end of this video, I'll show you a simple repayment method that can cut years off your debt and save you thousands in interest, even if you're only making minimum payments right now. Credit cards were designed to make spending easy. Too easy. Swipe, tap, done. No pain in the moment. But the real pain comes later, when the bill arrives. And if you can't pay it in full, something dangerous happens. Interest starts compounding against you. Most people think paying the minimum is managing debt, but in reality, it's the slowest and most expensive way to pay off what you owe. Because when you only pay the minimum, the bank barely touches your principal balance. Most of your money goes straight into interest. This means you could be paying for the same purchase for 5, 10, even 20 years. And many people don't even realize it. They think, I'm paying on time, so I'm fine. But being on time is not the same as being debt-free. Look at your last credit card statement. Now ask yourself this: if you only pay the minimum every month, how long will it take to become debt-free? Most people have never actually calculated it, and that's exactly why they stay stuck. Credit card companies don't make most of their money from people who pay on time in full. They make money from people who carry balances. Because interest rates in the US can easily exceed 20% or more, that means your debt is growing faster than most investments can grow. Think about that. You're not just paying for what you bought, you're paying a penalty every single month for not paying it off immediately. In a moment, I'll show you how to flip the system so your payments actually start working in your favor instead of against you. Let's say you have $5,000 in credit card debt. Not unusual at all in America. Now imagine you're only paying the minimum. It might feel manageable, but over time, interest keeps stacking. What starts as a small balance can turn into years of payments. And depending on interest rates, you could end up paying thousands extra just in interest alone. That means the real cost of your spending is much higher than what you originally bought. This is why credit card debt feels endless, because it grows silently in the background. Most people don't plan to go into debt. It usually happens in small steps: an emergency, a medical bill, a car repair, a short-term expense. Then life gets busy, and suddenly the balance just sits there. Months turn into years, and the debt becomes normal. That's the dangerous part. When debt feels normal, it stops feeling urgent. Right now, ask yourself, are you paying off your debt or just maintaining it? Because those are two very different things. There are two simple methods that actually work. The first is the Avalanche method. You focus on paying off the highest interest debt first. This saves the most money long term. The second is the Snowball method. You pay off the smallest debt first. This builds momentum and motivation. Both work. The key is consistency, not perfection. Step 1. Stop adding new debt immediately. Step 2. Pay more than the minimum, no matter how small the extra amount is. Step 3. Pick Avalanche or Snowball and stick with it. Step 4. Automate payments so you never miss progress. And here's what most people don't realize. Even an extra $50 to $100 per month can reduce your repayment time dramatically. If this helped you understand how credit card debt really works, subscribe for more real-world financial strategies, because the truth is simple. Banks don't lose money on credit cards. People do. And the sooner you take control, the faster you break free. Debt is not just a financial problem. It's a freedom problem. Because every dollar going to interest is a dollar you can't use to build your future. The goal isn't just to pay off debt. The goal is to never be controlled by it again.